and I'm like a hot cup of joe. Good morning. It's Vlogmas day 1 and I'm in Baltimore for the day at my family's home, and I am here because I'm shooting my holiday pictures as well as my Vlogmas intro with my photographer. Now the kicker is we found a perfect location with beautiful decor, very festive and things like that, but they're kind of partial to influencers and vloggers and people with DSLR cameras that don't have a permit. So I made a reservation at the restaurant and we are hoping to kind of make some connections and work our way through it. So stay tuned to see how this day goes, and if all goes as planned, stay tuned until the very end of the video because my Vlogmas intro will be revealed. And also stay tuned because I will be vlogging every day for the week of Christmas, giving you a glimpse of my life outside of YouTube. So we're doing a quick outfit change. This is the only one on the East Coast. We have these beautiful Moet coins, and we are going to do this. I'm so excited. I'm going to purchase it. Took over on the front desk. We did all that. Okay. Do you want to go first?
Oh, I was going to hold it for you.
Okay. Onward. What? Let me act like I've been somewhere.
I didn't even record my experience.
Oh, I totally recorded your entire experience.
Okay.
With your watch that matches your bottle.
Ew.
Thank you.
May I put that on for you?
Of course.
Thank you.
And I obviously plan to crawl home. If you don't hear from me in about an hour, just check on me. Thanks.
So she said go that way, so I'm thinking.
This vlog gonna be litty.
So I don't trust that this doesn't need key card access to get back in, so step out if you want to go see.
First of all, I want to thank my connect, the most important person with all due respect.
I know. I'm excited. We weren't sure what we were going to be able to do. Called yesterday just to say, hi.
We're on our way.
We're on our way. Are we going to be able to take pictures? And they kind of were like,
It looked like a phone, camera phone to me. So just be discreet.
multiple people have helped us since we got here this morning. Different people have been like, oh, take this door. I wanted that grand staircase so bad.
Did y'all go up in here? No, okay. Now, the grand, and like I say, once you guys get up there, so you guys going to be upstairs, but to enter it, take advantage while you guys are here.
It's been a pleasure. You've been wonderful.
I love you. I know.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Girl, hurry.
Wow. I sure will. Here? Down the steps? Okay. Because honestly, you think we got enough in? Okay. I trust you. We'll save it for next year. The shabby sweet is crying. I'm trying to take no more pictures. The party is over. You did. Have a good night. One thing about me, the dog gets dog, but the dog be on me. Oh, Jesus. Bless it, Father God. And we were so busy trying to shoot that I didn't even get to fill my meter again. And at this point I was just like, well, I'm just gonna pay the ticket. $3.22. What time is that over? Hey, Father God, we didn't know how we was gonna get up in here in this place. Literally, we met somebody that was like, oh, go up these steps, go down this door. Da-da-da-da-da. Boom. 11:52, it should be a ticket on my dash. Ain't no ticket on my dash. And we bless your holy name. Amen.